So today in this video I'm going to show the Filmora crack is working now. So you can connect to internet and can download different templates, audios, whatever you want. So now I'm going to show how to download the template. So it's a completely cracked version. As you watch my previous video, you can see how to install the cracked version. I have given the link below, so check it out. So I'm going to download this. Click on the download button and here you can see the progress bar. Yeah, now it's completely downloaded. You can download whatever the template you want. These are the default templates provided for downloading. So here I'm downloading again this template. Here you can see the progress bar. Now the crack actually works. Yeah, that's the best part. Now the download is almost complete. Now you can add this to your editor window. You can see now there is no watermark here. And out of curiosity I have tried film stocks, but it doesn't come along with the cracked version. You have to pay for it separately. So if you can pay for film stock, you can get unlimited wallpapers, templates and everything. I'm trying to connect, but the sad part is you can't. You need to pay for this premium film stock effects. So if you need, you can also log in, but I'm not sure how it will go along with the crack. So if you find anything new, you can leave in comment. Thanks for watching.